I have with me Mr. KC Anand. He is the General Manager Sales for House of Hiranandani, and he looks after the projects in Bangalore. Mr. Anand, can you please tell us about the market sentiment in Bangalore?
Well, Bangalore has been one of the consistent markets in the country as of date, and one of the safer markets also to invest. It has been very consistent in the growth in terms of number of launches, in terms of the price movement, and it's given fabulous returns to the investors who have invested in past.
Sir, can you please take us through some of the most hot and happening destinations in and around Bangalore where it makes perfect business sense for someone to invest?
Yes, Bangalore. The growth of Bangalore is now towards the north side. That's where the airport is located. There is huge investment happening in and around 8 kilometer radius from the airport. There are about 12 lakh employment opportunity being created there. Infrastructure is already in place, better connectivity, and plenty of land is available in these places. So we see a lot of projects coming up there. We also see there's huge potential for investors to come in there currently, buy in properties and get a returns, because there is about 12 lakh employment opportunity which will be created in next 7 to 10 years. So there is going to be a huge demand for properties in and around the airport. Also, Hebbal is another location which has developed into a very hot location. You have good number of projects in that location. You have projects varying from, sizes varying from 1 BHK to 4 BHKs. There's a lot of demand for the bigger size apartment also in this location. So I think North Bangalore is the most happening place as far Bangalore is concerned.
Sir, can you please take us through the legacy of House of Hiranandani? It's been a group which has been there into the business for long and has delivered projects. So could you please tell us more about House of Hiranandani?
Well, we are part of a group which has over 30 years of experience in this particular industry. We are very well known for our townships, what we have built in Mumbai. We've also built a similar township in Chennai. And our townships cater to it has a school, it has an hospital, it has the hotels, it has the commercial space, it has the retail outlet. So whatever a customer is looking at, everything is present. We are also known for a quality product. We are a very quality conscious company, and we've delivered superior quality products, and we continue to deliver superior quality products.
So besides this, can you please tell us about some of the new projects in and around Bangalore that House of Hiranandani is coming up with, and also the USPs or the salient features of the project as to why a home buyer or an investor should invest in those projects, please.
Currently in Bangalore, we are present in south and north, and we are in the very premium segment. We cater to the luxury segment of apartments. We have all sizes with us. We also cater to the smaller size and also the bigger size. Our projects are big. The one which is close to airport is about 80 acres. The one which is in south is about 38 acres. Which large clubhouse, large sports complex, and lot of open space is provided in these projects. And we are also known for the amenities what we give. So we give the world-class amenities to the buyers, home buyers. And also the important factor is the quality of the product. I think we score very well on the quality aspect. Even a lot of importance has been given to the quality. So every minute detail we get into in every minute detail as far quality is concerned. So I think the buyers get one of the best product, and they also get fabulous returns because the price appreciation in a resale market for us is very, very high.
Thank you. This is Dheeraj Ahuja from Expo TV for BoldRealty.com.